What's up, you guys? We're outside our apartment right now. The starter just went out on my Z, and I can't move it clearly. So we're gonna replace the starter today.
Gloves on it, no fingerprints when it's stainless. If I shoot you, I'm brainless. Guess I lost it. Niggas mouths sticking like forces. Extendo out the roof of them Porsches. Crucified with no crosses. I ain't did it.
All right, you guys, car's up in the air. So now I'm gonna get under there and show you how to take the starter off. Unhook the battery. So there's gonna be 2 bolts, one here, one here. Those are two 14 millimeters, so just pop those off. All right, so I have the one off. Usually when you take this last one off, the starter should come loose. So we're about to find out what's gonna happen here. Yep. Now come to the front of the starter, and there's a 12 millimeter nut right here. You guys see right there. So use a wrench to take that off, and then you should be able to get the entire starter off. Now that it's off, we're gonna go get it tested just to double check. I already know that it is the starter, but I just wanna go get it double checked just for peace of mind. And let's go over there.
Head of the family, I never talk. I'm somewhere getting a pedicure. Don't know what to say, I done said it all. Rumors about me, I read them all. Pull up in Suburban, she told you that she was a virgin, but I got the head and all. I got the pussy, ain't never called. Running the bank and I said it all.
Alright, so as you guys saw, the starter failed, so we gotta go get a new starter. It's 30 minutes away, so we gotta ride over there. Hopefully we can get this thing done before the sun goes down. Just got back from O'Reilly's. This is the new starter. Unfortunately, my GoPro died, so we weren't able to get any footage on the way over there. This is the new one, super clean, ready to go. The old 12 off the old starter is the one that will go right here.
He's my old job. That dope was a 9 and they gon' know. I ain't had nothing, I'm gon' rob. I can't relate to these soft niggas. My OG told me just go hard.
I got both of these tight. Flip this clip up. I like this one better because this wire connection is out here, whereas before it was a little harder to get to. Both of these are tight. This connection is in, and this is tight. So we're good to go. A moment of truth. That's what I'm talking about, baby. The starter sounded way better than it used to, because before it would kind of lag out. That's another way you guys should know that your starter's going out, because it kind of is slower to start up. Like, it takes a lot longer. Anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from that. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.